7. The word ʻsɛvən is a cardinal number that represents the quantity or amount of something. It is the number that comes after 6 and before 8 in the natural number sequence. In English, 7 is commonly used to refer to the number itself, but it can also be used in various contexts to indicate a specific quantity, position, or order. Here are some examples of how 7 can be used. 1. Quantity. There are 7 days in a week. The rainbow has 7 colors. There are 7 continents on Earth. 2. Position or order. He finished the race in 7th place. The 7th book in the series was just released. The 7th inning stretch is a tradition in baseball games. 3. Age. She turned 7 years old yesterday. My nephew is 7 months old. 4. Time. The meeting is scheduled for 7 o'clock. The train departs at 7 in the morning. The movie starts at 7:30. 5. Mathematical operations. 7 plus 3 equals 10. If you subtract 4 from 7, you get 3. 7 times 2 is equal to 14. It's important to note that 7 is spelled with the letters S-E-V-E-N and pronounced as ʻsɛvən in English. It is one of the basic numbers that everyone should be familiar with when learning the language.